Good morning, students. Today we will read our fifth chapter of English literature book. The name of the chapter is The Tree. Okay, this is the activity page that you have to do in your book. I'll tell you what you have to do. Write 10 words that come to your mind when you look at a tree. When you see a tree, how many words that come in your mind, you have to write over here. Okay, let's start reading. In this poem, the poet talks about a beautiful gulmohar tree. This is a gulmohar tree. Poet is talking about this tree that he and his father planted outside their house. Okay? He tells us of the joy the tree has brought them over the years. Clear? Next to the track beside our house, track means a rough path. Okay? Dad planted a gulmohar. We tended it, we watered it, it wanted more and more. He is saying, next to the track beside our house, beside his house, his dad planted a gulmohar tree. They gave water to the tree and it wanted more and more. Means tree is wanting water to grow more. Okay. When first its little shoots of green spread across the boughs. Shoots means tiny outgrowth from the seed that turn into leaves. Spread across the boughs. Boughs means branches. And some of us said, wow, its branches were so low, we drove the goats away and cows. When first its little shoots of green spread across the boughs. These branches, when across the shoots of green spread across the boughs, and some of us said, wow, this is looking very wow tree na? Its branches were so low, we drove the goats away and cows. It really kept us on our toes. Means when we plant a tree that is like a baby. Here you also can see a baby tree needs care. Like a baby tree also needs care. Next year the green fuzz. Fuzz means shoots again. Tiny outgrowths from the seed which turns into leaves. Same meaning of shoots, same meaning of fuzz. It turned into a red roof tree, a thing of beauty rare. This line is showing means that the gulmohar tree is a very beautiful tree. Okay, that is very rare to see. That is uncommon and that is precious, gulmohar tree. Okay, it never spoke to us. Of course, it just spoke to the wind. To whom poet is talking? The poet is saying, tree doesn't speak. That spoke to the winds. Okay, and then wave to the sky. Tree wave to the sky na? But it gave us everything. But tree give us so many things. है ना? Got it? It falling flowers and its shade, they cover half the track. That tree covered half the track. Okay? It sheltered us from the sun and rain. The tree has paid us back. Clear beta? Means we should plant trees. Tree give us so many things, and poet is talking about gulmohar tree. He tended it, he watered it, then it becomes a gulmohar tree. Clear? Can you tell me who is the poet of this poem? Keki and Daruwala. Clear? This page you have to do in your book. Match the column. Dad planted a gulmohar tree. The poet watered the sapling and chased goats away. The poet watered the the sapling was like a baby which needs care. Next year, the sapling turned into a red roof tree. The tree waved to the sky. The tree sheltered the family from sun and rain. And here you have to draw plants. Clear? Baby plants, then it becomes small a tree, then it become a very big tree. Clear? You have to draw a picture of plant here. Thank you, beta. God bless you.